All right, so I'm going to make some of those pine sticks that everybody is caulking with for a finishing tool, and I'm going to do 3 different sizes. So I'm not really good at this at all. So I did the first one. I soaked this next little bigger one in water for a little bit longer, and it was still really, really hard for me to do. Okay, so I let it set in this water for a really long time. Let's see if it makes it a little bit easier because my hands hurt. This is not easy. I want someone to make a bunch of these for me and send them to me, please. This knife sucks. I should have spent the extra 20 bucks and got the expensive one, but I'm poor. Come on, baby. Work with me. Oh my God, my fingers hurt so bad. I don't know how you guys do this. It's so bad. Someone should seriously make these and sell them on YouTube. I'd buy them. This is my least favorite project I've ever done. Let's try this one more time. Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Please comment below to help me on this. I really like these sticks and I want to learn how to do it right.